The Philippines is one of the countries most vulnerable to climate related weather events. In a recent 2022 report titled International Public Opinion on Climate Change, Yale's program on climate change communication revealed that 85% of Filipinos express deep concerns about climate change, while 87% of Filipinos believe that such an environmental issue is a serious threat in the next 20 years. Furthermore, 82% of Filipinos personally perceive the problem of climate change as very important to extremely important, and 7 out of 10 Filipinos live every day with the knowledge that the consequences will be disastrous.
A warmer world will undoubtedly have an impact on the systems and sectors. However, the magnitude of the impact will be determined by factors such as sensitivity, exposure, and adaptive capacity to climate risk. In most cases, the likely consequences will be negative. Water stress, both in quantity and quality, is expected in areas and regions where rainfall is expected to decrease, which will mostly likely cascade into more negative impacts, particularly on forestry, agriculture and livelihood, health, and human settlement. Changes in rainfall regimes and patterns, which result in increased and decreased water use and temperature increases, may cause a shift in the forest ecosystem, especially in areas where rains are scarce and may no longer provide favorable conditions for certain highly sensitive species. Flooding events may occur in areas where rainfall is expected to be intense during wet periods, posing a risk to human settlements and infrastructure in the form of landslides and mudslides, particularly in geological landslides. Heavy daily rainfall will continue to increase and extreme rainfall will increase only in Luzon and Visayas, but the number of dry days will increase across the country in 2020 and 2050.
This viewpoint is strengthened by the fact that extreme weather events are the most visible manifestation of climate change, and Filipinos bore the brunt of them, as 8 of the top 10 costliest Philippine typhoons occurred in the last 10 years, from 2012 to 2021. The increase in greenhouse gas concentrations caused by human activities, such as the use of fossil fuels for energy, the emission of harmful gases from transportation used by cars, motorcycles, and airplanes, deforestation, and improper waste disposal is what causing the warming of the climate system. The rapid expansion of climate change poses major threats to man and the environment in the present and future. And these impacts are now unavoidable given the amount of greenhouse gases currently saturating our atmosphere as a result of previous decades of human activity, combined with the increased contribution of the next decade of urbanization.